Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a YouTube channel right here on your phone. So the first thing you need to do is to actually just log in into your YouTube app. Once you're already logged in into your YouTube app, so the first thing you need to do is to actually just click on the left hand corner right here at the down button. So once you click on that right here, you're going to take you straight to your profile. So all you need to do is to actually just click on where it says create new channel right here. So once you click on where it says create new channel right here, it's actually going to prompt you to actually just like type in the name of the channel. So you could basically just type in the name of the channel. So all I'm going to actually type in the name of the channel. So I'm actually going to be naming the channel after my name. Actually going to be naming the channel I just Steve. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click on save. So it's actually going to load up a bit. Once you're done with that right here, all you need to do is just click on the create button. So once you click on the create button right here, your channel is actually going to be created successfully. So you guys can see right here that our channel is already created, and you can see right here this is how your channel is going to look like. So the first thing you need to do right here is to actually set up your channel's banner. So in order for you to actually set up your channel's banner, all you need to do is to actually head over to canva.com. If you don't know what Canva is just like a graphic design website where you could actually create different kind of design, different kind of templates. So all you need to do is to actually just click on the plus sign. So once you click on the plus sign, all you need to do is to actually just click on where it says YouTube banner. So it's going to take you straight up to this place. So this is where you're actually going to be customizing your banner. So Canva is actually going to be giving you different kind of template that you could actually customize. So all you just need to do is actually just go through them and actually find the one you like. So once you actually find the one you like right here, all you need to do is actually just customize them. For the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to be using this template right here. So all you need to do actually just customize the template. So you need to actually make sure the template actually fits, because once you are creating a YouTube banner on Canva, sometimes when you upload the banner on your channel, it might actually not fit. So you need to make sure you actually customize the size. You need to make sure you actually make the size smaller. So once you actually do that right here, it's actually going to be fit in to your banner right here on YouTube. So once you're done like creating your banner, all you need to do is to just click on the download button. So I'm actually going to be downloading this YouTube banner right here. So let's just click on the download button. Once you're done downloading your YouTube banner, all you need to do is to actually head over to studio.youtube.com, because you could not actually upload your YouTube banner using the YouTube app. So the best way for you to do that is actually just head over to studio.youtube.studio.com. So once you click on that right here, it's actually going to take you straight to this website, and you can see right here this how the YouTube Studio app looks on while using your smartphone. So just click on the continue button. So once you click on the continue button, all you need to do is to actually just scroll down a little bit and just head over to this place right here. So once you click on this menu button right here, so it's actually going to take you straight to where it says customization. So you could actually see where you could actually customize and upload your banner. Just head over to the branding section right here. So once you head over to the branding section, just click on upload. So I'm actually going to be uploading the banner that we have just gotten right here from canva.com. So I'm going to be clicking on save right here. You're actually done with that, all you need to do is to actually click on publish. So once you click on publish right here, your banner is actually going to be live, and you could actually preview how it is right here on your YouTube app. So let's just preview to see how it actually looks like. To actually see that is how our channel looks like. And you can see right here that everything looks nice and clean. So the next thing you need to do right now to actually head over to your YouTube studio right here to go set up your basic information. And also you also need to actually unlock some features right here on your channel, so that you'll be able to like post an external link if in case you want to post an external link, or for example if you want to like go live on your channel. So you need to actually like set up this feature, because once you create a new channel right here on YouTube, YouTube might not actually give you the ability to actually like put external link in the link of your video or to actually go live. So you need to actually unlock this feature for you to be able to do that. So all you need to do is to actually just head over to the settings by actually clicking on the menu bar. So once you click on this menu bar right here, just scroll down a little bit. So once you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the settings. So just click on settings. So once you click on settings right here, it's actually going to take you straight to this place. So all you need to do is to just head over to where it says channel. So once you click on channel, just click on where it says features eligibility. You can see right here, this is the feature that I'm actually talking about. So you can see right here that you're actually limited, so you need to actually like unlock the other feature. So all you need to do is to actually just click on. So guys, before you could actually like unlock this feature, you need to make sure you're already posting a video on your channel. So once you are posting video on channel, and you can see right here, if you actually look at what YouTube said, you need to have at least like 15 minutes video or less on your channel for you to actually like unlock these features. Like just make sure you're actually posting video on your channel. And also you could also head over to the advanced settings right here to actually set some settings. So for example, if you know your channel is not made for kids, you could actually set that here. So you could just like kind of play around, you know, the YouTube studio right to actually like, you know, customize some things. So once you're done with that right here, it's actually going to be up and running. Guys, I hope you found the video helpful. If you know you did, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So guys, if you know you want to learn how you could grow your channel to start, you know, making some money for yourself, I'm gonna advise you actually check out the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm actually gonna be seeing you guys in the next video.